The liver is one of the most hardworking organs in the body, performing crucial tasks like digesting food, processing toxins, and helping maintain healthy blood flow. But did you know that its ability to function effectively can be compromised over time if we don't take proper care of it? Let's explore simple, practical tips to support and protect your liver. The liver plays a central role in our overall health. It helps digest food by producing bile, filters out toxins from the blood, stores essential vitamins, and produces proteins that regulate blood clotting. It's also responsible for converting nutrients into energy and storing fat. But all of these functions depend on the liver remaining healthy. So, what causes liver stress and how to support it? Liver stress could be caused by several factors, including heavy, strong drinks use, poor eating habits, lack of exercise, and exposure to toxins. A diet high in processed foods and unhealthy fats may burden the liver. Chronic stress and inflammation might also affect liver function over time, making it harder for the liver to filter out waste and toxins effectively. Strong drinks are one of the biggest contributors to liver damage. Regularly drinking excessive amounts could lead to inflammation or fatty liver. To protect the liver, it's essential to reduce strong drinks intake and follow guidelines, such as limiting drinks to 1 per day for women and 2 for men. Opt for healthier beverages like water, herbal teas, or infused water instead. A healthy, balanced diet plays a key role in supporting liver health. Focus on consuming whole foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. Foods high in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, can help fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Avoid or limit processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats that burden the liver and make it harder to function optimally. Regular physical activity is vital for maintaining liver health. Exercise might help improve blood flow and boost the liver's ability to clear out toxins. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise like walking, swimming, or cycling several times a week. This could help maintain a healthy weight and improve overall liver function. Are you finding these liver health tips helpful? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from these tips. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button to join our wellness community. Chronic stress can negatively impact liver health by increasing inflammation and affecting the liver's detoxification abilities. To combat stress, try relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and yoga. Taking time each day to relax, unwind, and focus on your mental well-being is an essential part of liver support. Certain foods can actively support liver health by boosting its detoxifying and regenerating abilities. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that help activate liver enzymes that flush out toxins. Turmeric and ginger are powerful anti-inflammatory foods that help protect liver cells from damage. Including these in your diet regularly can help your liver function at its best. Staying hydrated is another key factor in liver health. Water helps the liver flush out toxins and supports its detoxification process. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. You can also incorporate hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and coconut water into your diet. If you're concerned about your liver health or have a family history of liver issues, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. A doctor can help guide you in making the right lifestyle and dietary changes to protect your liver and may recommend tests to assess your liver function. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon that you would never miss out on our latest expert-backed health tips, making it easier for you to stay informed and up to date on all things wellness. How do you support your liver health? Let us know in the comments below.